Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a look at Axie Infinity here really quick, see what's going on. I was asked here recently if we are expecting a breakout here or what's going to go on. We'll go ahead and double check that and see if we can discover that. A lot of coins do have a tendency of giving us patterns just before they take out or emerge/take off. So we'll go ahead and identify that. And if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, really just love teaching people how to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. My goal and my passion is to help you become a better trader. I create a website and of course this channel for that reason. So CryptoCache.tech is the website if you'd like to go ahead and check that out and see if you want to become a better overall trader. I have a community, academy, and I send out signals for every single trade that I take. So I look forward to getting to know you better and check that out when you can. Taking a look here at Axie though, here's what's really cool. First thing I can kind of see first is we got a nice little bounce off of 50 on the RSI. Now, if you're not familiar with my channel, just in general, when you see 50 on the RSI, you can tell that it works usually in most cases as a support or resistance level. So you can kind of see here, of course, kind of keeps getting rejected, but at this point, it looks like we're trying to break out. Now I say try because today's one-day candlestick hasn't officially closed yet, so we don't truly know. But if we close above 50 on the RSI, specifically for a couple more days, then that would be confirmation letting us know we're above, on the right side of tracks essentially. Okay, so that's a very good sign there in that sense to me personally. Another thing we can kind of see here as well is that there is this type of descending. It almost looks like there's a descending pattern here that looks like it wants to break out or has already broken out to the upside. So 4 days ago we got a break above that trend line, so we're no longer making lower highs, right? Technically this is still a lower high, but the likelihood of another lower high is lower, right? So that being said, if we can kind of see that and acknowledge that, that does imply that that might potentially break out. Another thing as well is we got this nice little ascending type of continuation, you could say, to imply that we might actually be right back on track. So the likelihood of tomorrow being higher is also higher. Another thing too to acknowledge is if you were to kind of just draw a line here, you can see this is a strong resistance level so far of $52. So if we were to get a break above and close above 52 today, that'd be extremely important and very helpful. Okay, so all good stuff here for Axie in that sense. I do like what I see here so far, and what we can do is we can kind of look at a larger time frame Fibonacci retracement levels and see where we're at with that too. So just to kind of summarize here, let's go ahead and go to the 4 hour, because this is really the transitionary time frame here. We can see the 50-day moving average working its way up effectively with that type of pattern here. And this is actually fantastic. When you get the 50-day SMA working with an ascending type of breakout, or sorry, let's not use the word breakout yet because it hasn't broken out, but an ascending type of trend line, for example, that essentially helps us understand that we're on the right side, right? And the fact of the matter is the price should continue to progress higher from here. All right. And you can take the inverse as well. When you see the price coming down, you see the 200-day SMA working its way down too. That also works the other way around. Okay. Again, more positive than negative in that sense, especially the fact that the 200 and the 50 are intersecting here soon to give us what is referred to as a golden cross. Now, again, the golden cross to me is more effective on the one-day time frame, more specifically with Bitcoin. That kind of has a catalytic effect for other coins. But generally speaking, that is a positive nonetheless. Okay. Another positive as well here is a MACD convergence in the 4 hour. I really like to see this. While we're seeing this on a lot of coins, not a lot of coins have this same structure. Okay. We're also bouncing, or had bounced off of 50 on the RSI recently, kind of implying the fact that we're on the right side of the tracks there as well. So there's literally nothing that's bad on the 4 hour time frame here, which translates to the 1 day. And we want to get that 1 day candle to close over $52. So I think Axie's looking fantastic here, definitely in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the cloud. And this isn't phenomenal, but it's good in a lot of ways. Good in the sense that we're still above the cloud and we're staying above. So the likelihood of it breaking up to the upside is higher here, based on that basically being a support level. While you could also argue the fact that it's having trouble breaking above, it's also accumulating more volume at this price point and has a type of pendant pattern. Okay. So those are also equally as important. Lagging span isn't free and clear of any price action. Well, it is technically, but it will likely intersect if we don't see a breakout soon. So we do want to see the price break above $52 in the next 12 hours for Axie to have this thing work. It's not the only reason, or sorry, not the only thing that we need to be able to take a break to the upside. I really love the 4 hour time frame and everything that's showing us so far. That to me is almost perfect. The cloud is also almost perfect too, because we do have a conversion line above the baseline, and the price is trending above the cloud. We technically have a 1 day, 1 hour candlestick close above the cloud here soon. In about 30 minutes, we'll see if that closes. So a lot of reasons here to consider taking entry on Axie, and just knowing the big picture, this is likely going to be a continuation / breakout. Now, how much higher will it go? We can see here, based on Fibonacci, $53.40 is the next major potential resistance, because you can see it got rejected out there recently. And if we take a look at the larger time frame here, let's go ahead and see what potential we have here for Axie. Now, again, depending on how things work out, just say we have a similar breakout to before. That was like a 40% increase. Hypothetically, we get a 40% increase, that would put us in the $70 range. We could see that within the next week or two. Again, this is strictly speculative because you truly never know exactly where it's going to go. But if we can break above 52 today and then possibly 54 tomorrow, then we'll be able to see this continuation of the upside, start breaking through these key level resistances of $57, and then of course, 65, work our way up. We'll bridge that gap when we get there, but for right now, I think a breakout is absolutely on the cards, or on the table in the cards, and it could very well work out. So I think the likelihood of seeing that happen here in the near future is pretty high. And to me, again, I'm not a gambling type, which is why I think I do very well in this market. But if I were to gamble, I would gamble on Axie Infinity breaking to the upside here in the near future, pending Bitcoin. Keep this in mind, pending Bitcoin does not drop, sub 40,000, or just say back down to 41 today. If we lose all of our progress in the last 24 hours from Bitcoin, we might see somewhat of a reset and a slowing of Axie. Okay, keep that in mind. That's always on the table too as well. And just generally speaking, we need to understand that. So hopefully you found benefit and you understand where I'm coming from here. We'll keep a closer eye on Axie here moving forward. I think I might just go ahead and open up a signal here, honestly, for this, because this is looking pretty much primed and ready to go. I've sold myself on it. I hope that you you extracted what you could from it. Thanks again for joining. Once again, CryptoCache.tech is a site if you want to become a better trader. It's my full-time job. I do this every day for a living, and I can tell you what, it's a great experience. So thanks again. I look forward to working with you. You have a great rest of your day. Take care.